Hey, it's Matt with Homescapes Power Washing. Just wanted to make a quick video kind of explaining how I plumb my soft wash system and also my pressure washing system for downstreaming. So pretty much I have this blend manifold. I have one hose coming from water, which goes to a water metering valve. I have one hose coming from the soap or the surfactant with a metering valve. And then I have this other hose, which is for the chemical, which comes from this three-way valve. So essentially, I have one coming from water, one coming from the chemical tank, and then one exiting, which is what you see over here going into the blend manifold. So what I can do is, like right now, it's on water. So if I turn this, I can flip it to chemical, so I can pull chemical from the tank. And then when I'm done, I flip it back to water. I can just pull water through it, which flushes the whole system out. I can open these up and have water just coming through both. And that way I can rinse all the chemical out when I'm finished. Once they go through the blend manifold, they come out and they go into this other three-way valve. If you go to the left, this hose goes up to, I have a 12-volt soft wash pump on the back here. So if I have that three-way valve flipped to the left, it goes to the soft wash pump. If I flip it to the right over to the smaller hose, that hose just goes all the way over here, all the way through there, and then over to this downstream injector right here, which is connected to this high pressure line. And when this ball valve, this is just an electric ball valve, when that's closed, the water can't go through here, so it has to go up and around, which creates a, I believe it's a Venturi effect, sucking the soap and chemical mixture into the high pressure line. And then obviously I hook a high pressure hose to that and I can spray it on the house or whatever, the cement. The 12-volt, once it goes through there, it simply just comes down through here to this hose reel, to this yellow hose. And the reason I have this is so that I can pull a stronger mixture of soap. When you're doing roofs or cement or anything like that, you usually want to pull between, like for cement, you want to be around 3%. For a roof, you would definitely want to be like 5 or 6%. The downstream injector, which is what I use probably 90% of the time, maybe even 95% of the time, I do that for just mainly house washes on vinyl siding. You're pulling about a 1-to-10 ratio between the soap and the soap and the water. So I have an 8-gallon-a-minute machine, so I'm probably about 1% soap. I've tested my machine and I think it puts out about 9 gallons a minute. So I'm really close to, depending on what size injector too, I'm really close to about 1% on the house wash mixture through the pressure line. Yet again, I don't have any water in the tank right now, but next week I start washing. I'll be taking a lot more videos. The plan for this channel is really, I'm making it more for showing my potential customers and existing customers a little bit more about my process, just so that they can actually see like what I do and how it works. But also there's going to be a lot of good information about pressure washing in general for people that want to start up a company. If that's something that anyone watching this video is more interested in, let me know in the comments and I will maybe start doing some videos on more detailed on actually how to wash, how I put my equipment together more or less in detail, how much some of this stuff costs, things like that. But next time I'll be doing some washing. See ya.